Alright, we're going to do a uni knot. This is just a bomber knot. It's not too complicated to tie. First you're going to thread the line through the hook eye. I like to pinch it right there. And then we're going to go ahead and make a loop right here and pinch that as well. And you see how these two are lined up right there? That's important because we're going to go around both of them, and we're going to do that anywhere from 5 to 7 times. This is obviously a thick line I'm using for the example, so we'll just do 4 here. When you get it to there, you're going to pull that knot up, and you want to lubricate at this point with some saliva, and don't cinch it entirely when you pull it up. You're just getting it ready to cinch down this way. And then you can really wrench on it there. And that's it. Simple uni knot. Let's go ahead and do it again with a different line. For a different perspective here. Use this amnesia line. Give yourself plenty to work with. Right there, see how that's lined up? And then from here, again, this is still a fairly thick line, so I'll give it 4. Generally going to go 5 to 7. Pull it up. And this is where you're going to want to lubricate. After which you can pull it down. And that is a good tight knot that you can trim close. When I want something that's a little bit stronger than a clinch knot, oftentimes I'll go with this uni knot. It has a little bit more bite to it. It is proven to be stronger. So if you're expecting to have some fish that are going to be really testing your knots, especially on 4x, 5x, uni knot's great. I'll use it on heavier lines as well, all the way to 0x and beyond. That's it. It's a great knot. Everybody should know it. Use it on the regular. You will not be disappointed.